So in the last video, we have seen how to use array. So in this example, we'll just enhance this. So let's remove this all this variable here, which is not required. Now, so how to assign values? So we have used a for loop which starts with 0, which ends at 3. So we are assigning the values here. And how to print? Again, we have to start with 0 and we have to end at 3 so that we can print all the values. But sometimes when you just want to print the values. See, we are not doing any extra code here, we're just printing the values. Then why we are using a counter? Why don't if you ask a array, so give me one value, why you are going to that array and fetching the value? So in Java 1.5, we have this new update called as enhanced for loop. So instead of using normal for loop where you have to specify the starting point, ending point, you can use something as enhanced for loop. How to use it? Specify the type of the data, then you have to specify a variable, and then you have to specify the array name, which is x. So what it will do is, it will go to this array x, it will fetch the first element, and then we have to print the first element, which is I. So the first element from x, that is 1, will come to I, it will print 1. Then it will fetch the second element from x, and it will print 2. Right? So if I run this now, so you can see the output is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we need to use enhanced for loop. So a point to be noted, enhanced for loop only works after version 1.5. So if you are using any lower version of JDK, which is 1.4 or 1.3, this code will not work. Okay, so this is the example of enhanced for loop. So this is your normal for loop, and this is enhanced for loop.